First of all, today we are going to discuss with article writing format. Okay, and one topic we will take. So as you know that for article writing, first of all, what you are writing. So first of all, you are writing here the title or the heading of the article. It must be catchy, it must be thought-provoking, it must be a phrase, or sorry, it may be a phrase, it can be a short sentence also, right? And afterwards here in byline by ABC means that is your name, who is the writer of the article, right? So then afterwards, you can also state here, you can give a quote or quotation according to your reference. Okay, in order to make it an impressive one, then first of all, we will start with the introduction. Suppose today we are going to start with mobile phones. Okay, so uses of mobile phones. Okay, so it means that now we are talking about mobile phones, that the role of mobile phones, it has altogether changed. So what will be the title or heading? Suppose you are writing
Mobile phone, a boon or a curse.
a boon or a curse, right? But no longer it's a curse, right? Okay, so we will take it into, for example, the changed face, the changed role of a mobile phone. Okay, right? The victim no longer a victim. Okay, sorry, the you can say the culprit no longer a culprit. Okay, right? So in this manner, it means that our heading, it must encapsulate the main idea which we are going to represent in our article writing. Okay, so next afterwards we have to give introduction. For example, with the advent of technology in various fields, okay, then in the telecommunication, one of the greatest invention is that of a mobile phone. Okay, it has changed our lives. Okay, earlier it was only just a source of entertainment, it was mere a source of entertainment, but the onset of pandemic, but with the, you can say, but with the pandemic, the role of mobile phone, it has altogether changed. It has changed our lives. It is no longer, which was considered as a culprit to be a time killer, or which was earlier considered to be only taking the students away from their studies, it has no longer stand in the same row. Okay, but now it has many, you can say, advantages on its path. Okay, so in this manner, that introduction will be discussed. Then we have to discuss the development of the topic. So in development of the topic, yes, what we will take, what are the various advantages? What are the advantages?
It is the bridge that connects humans, which connects us with the world.
Bridge to connect to the world. Okay, next, what are the points?
We can search anything easily.
We can
Search anything easily on the mobile phones.
great search engine, or great and effective search engine. Then
Everything is just a touch away.
yes,
Everything is just a touch away.
okay, everything is just a touch away, right? Very good.
Communication is more easy.
Okay, effective communication. Then
It also helps to entertain us.
source of entertainment. Then
It plays very important role for the students in learning concepts and
okay,
for research.
online or virtual teaching. Great role in online and virtual teaching. Okay, virtual classes. Then
Everything is available on mobile phones, from shopping groceries to buying airplane tickets.
fulfilling daily needs. Okay, it's a, you can say, it's a great source during pandemic, right? Clear? So in the light of all this, you have given enough points. So you have given all the points which are, you can say, what are the advantages, right? Because because in article we can discuss both the aspects. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss, for example, as the first point given by you, that it is a bridge to connect to the world. Okay, because of the various, you can say, apps available, like that of WhatsApp, Messenger, then Viber, and many other, one can connect to the world. Okay, and moreover, you can say one can have, it is an open window, it's a window actually to the world. Okay, so of course it is connecting us to the entire world. A person sitting in India, it can have a view, or it can have a chat and a call to a person sitting in every corner of the world. Okay, so it means that it has turned out, it has compacted the world, it has made the world to shrink into just a single ball. Next, afterwards, it is a great and effective search engine, means everything is at just a touch away or a click away. Okay, whatever mind thinks, okay, it can be searched on internet, because of, you can say, because of this mobile phone, as it is handy also than that of laptops as well as desktop. One can easily search out the meaning, one can easily search out the any medical term, any scientific term, and one can come out with the solutions. Okay, sometimes a person is suffering from a disease, or you can say any medical problem, one can have the complete information in front of him, while he is while he is just, you can say,
At home.
while he is just,
At
you can say,
home.
clicking it on his phone. Then it is of course an effective source of communication, means the persons or the near and dear ones who are sitting abroad or who are living abroad, they are not able to come to India because of pandemic, but ultimately it is effective source of communication. Okay, it is not an effective source of communication between the relatives or near and dear ones, but of course it is an effective source of communication for the companies to carry forward or to proceed their work, right? Because it is through this telecommunication that the mails, faxing, and everything is possible. Okay, and this, you can say, it is just because of it, the complete business of the world and all the, you can say, all the transactions of the world, they are carried forward within a click away. Various, with the development of the various apps now. Okay, while with the development of various apps now, what is happening, one can transact the money from one corner of the world to the other, from one country to the other. Okay, moreover, with these effective apps, you can make your work easier. One can easily scan, okay, scan and search, as well as reproduce his work at any place, and it is also a good source of making presentations. Okay, presentations, it can be connected to, you can say, projectors, and ultimately effective presentations can be presented. So it means that it has also played a great role in business as well as in the economic world too, right? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
of course, it is a source of entertainment. Okay, development of various, you can say, various apps, like that of, you can say, that Netflix. Okay, then Amazon Prime. Okay, Sony Live. Okay, so various apps are being developed where one can watch his own favorite, you can say, serial, one can watch his own favorite, you can say, daily soap, and ultimately enjoy the life to its fullest. Okay, so one cannot be confined. Okay, but although this is a great source of entertainment, but this has led also to separation of families. Okay, how separation of families? Because people used to sit together. Okay, it has widened the gap between the relationships of the people. Okay, because usually people, they used to sit together to watch one TV program in, okay, in the living room, but nowadays everyone has an access to his or her mobile. So this is the reason why they prefer to sit alone in the corner and to watch their own, you can say, favorite shows. So this has what this has created, this has widened. Okay, this has created the gap between the families also. Okay, moreover, of course, this is one of the negative aspect of mobile phone, but in the light of this, you can say, present situation, that in the pandemic, what is happening, the life has altogether changed. Okay, it is no longer a culprit which was considered to be a time killer, or which was just considered to be a source of only entertainment, but it has, you can say, many positive points on its part these days. Okay, as it has played a great role in online and virtual teaching. How it has played a great role in online and virtual teaching? Because in during the pandemic, okay, when when there is just a full stop to our lives, when everything has come to an end, or when everything has come to a halt, at this time, teaching is carried out. Okay, this mobile phone, it has given a new concept to teaching, that is of virtual teaching. Okay, virtual teaching through Zoom and through other, you can say, Google Meet. Now the classes are being possible because of this, you can say, mobile phone. Okay, so for this, so you can write
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
And now, moreover, during the pandemic, it is also playing a great role in fulfilling our daily needs. How? Because of the various shopping app, one can, while sitting at home, can get each and every, you can say, item of its need during the day. One can have an access to the, one can have an access to the grocery even from online stores. Okay, and it is very easy to pay your bills online. So ultimately, it has, you can say, it has compressed our lives. It has limited our lives to our homes only. Okay, but that is of course for the good cause, right? Then afterwards, it is also a great source during pandemic, means everything, it has access to everything. Okay, so then we will wind up the topic. So in the light of all these, we have ultimately come to know, or we have ultimately feel that mobile phone, it has turned out to be an indispensable part of our lives. We will never imagine our lives apart from this device, and it has turned out to be so important in our lives that we cannot live, or we cannot, you can say, spend a day without its application. Okay, because our life is completely dependent on it. Okay, so finally you will conclude that what conclusion we have got from it. So what conclusion we have got from it? So ultimately we have concluded, or ultimately in the nutshell, we have come to the point that it has, you can say, enormous, as you can say, innumerable, you can say, positive points on it to play on its part. But it is again in the hands of an individual whether to use it wisely or not. Okay, whether to use it as a boon or a bane. Okay, of course, everything, like every coin has two faces. Okay, right? So it is in the hands of a person, it is in the hands of a, you can say, person only to use it wisely. So
Ma'am,
ultimately
excess of
you have to decide how to do and what to do. Okay, how to do and what to do. So that's all for this. Okay, I
Yes,
hope that it
Yes,
is clear
ma'am.
now.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, many other topics can be there. For example, how to excel in life. Okay, excel means how to succeed in life. In that, you can also take various kind of examples. Okay, first of all, you can give that what is the importance of success here. Then what are the different ways how to achieve success. For example, you will should be dedicated, dedication, hard work,
Determination,
perseverance,
passion,
passionate towards your goal,
Am ambitious.
ambitious, of course. Okay, so it means that both kind of topics, like argumentative also, like one I have discussed, and descriptive or reflective. Okay, so this is the reflective one, in which you reflect your viewpoints. So different kind of, you can say, topics can be given, right? So this is for article writing. Okay, next afterwards, I'm going to discuss with you the extra questions of the chapter, The Lost Child. Okay, so for the lost child, let me ask you one by one, and you will give me the answers. If when I will speak the name, only then you will give the answer. Okay, so just a moment, let me unmute Lavlina also. Yes. So, what was the mood of the child when he was passing through the mustard fields? What was the mood of the child? Yes, Dia.
he was full of life. Was brimming with happiness.
Now, explain properly what was his mood. He was in a happy mood. He was enjoying the scene of the flowers, and he was also trying to catch the dragonflies. Okay, and there were insects and doves. He was attracted towards the cooing of the doves, and moreover, he also wanted to collect some of the flowers, and he was also making wide and capering movements around the banyan tree. Right?
He was having the time of his life.
And he also imagined many imaginary creatures over the beautiful scenery.
Yes. Okay. Okay, if I will ask that, how did the child enjoy in the lap of the nature? How he was enjoying in the lap of the nature?
He was captivated by the beauty of nature. When they were
Yes.
going towards the fair, he saw a beautiful field beautiful mustard field in which he saw butterflies and dragonflies.
Hmm.
He put a lot of effort in catching them, but all went in vain.
Hmm.
After after walking some time, he saw a few insects coming out of their burrows
Yes.
to enjoy
Sunshine.
the sun.
Hmm.
But his parents called, and so he had to move on.
Okay. Why was the child always lagging behind the parents? Yes, Vanshika. Vanshika, you can speak. Why was the child always lagging behind the parents? Lavina?
The child lagged behind his parents because he was fascinated by all the things coming on his way to the fair. He followed the dragonflies and the butterflies with his gaze and tried to catch them. As he entered the grove, a shower of young flowers fell upon him. He stopped and tried to collect them all.
It means that why he was lagging behind, because every time he was moving in the fair, he was attracted to the number of things on its way. First of all, being a child who is, you can say, who has an irresistible desire to own a toy. Okay, he was attracted towards a toy shop. Later on, he has seen dragonflies. He also had a desire to catch one of them, but he was not able to catch it. Okay, so ultimately he was, you can say, being a child, he was attracted to number of things on his way, and this is the reason why he was always lagging behind the parents, although he knew that his parents would not purchase anything for him. Right?
He admired the beauty of everything and moved on.
Okay, right. So how did the child react when he found that his parents were lost? How did the child...
May I answer?
Yes, please.
He realized that he has lost his way when he lags behind and waits to see many beautiful things of fair. When he called for his parents, he didn't get any reply. He turned to look for them, but they were not there. He looked everywhere, but they were nowhere to be found. A full dry cry rose within his dry throat.
Yes. It
He
means
was
that,
in real fear
Hmm.
of being lost.
Very.
Tears rolled down his face also. His face was panic-stricken and full of afraid. He called his parents' name and tried to recognize them in the crowd, but he was not able to find them.
Moreover, his clothes, they had turned out to be muddy, and his turban was untied. Okay, and the tears were rolling down his cheeks. Ultimately, fast cries and, you can say, screams were shot. It has turned his cries into sobs only. Right? He has turned out to be panic stricken. He was looking for his parents, but they were nowhere to be seen. Next, how did the child look for his parents when he had been lost? So again, the same answer we have to speak for that. Okay. How did the child, he tried to catch one of the dragonflies? How did the child try to catch one of the dragonflies?
When the child saw
He
the dragonflies, he put a
He
lot.
ran after them. He was attracted by the
Trying to
insects and
catch
tried to catch them by running after them in the mustard fields. And he was unable to catch them.
Because whenever the dragonfly or the butterfly, it is sitting on a flower, and it is, you can say, it is in its stagnant position, in its, you can say, stationary position. He was extending his hands in order to catch the butterfly or the dragonfly, but ultimately he was not able to catch it.
Catch them.
Okay.
The little creature was way too quick than his reflexes.
Agile and quick. Okay. What happened when the child was called by the parents from the edge of a what happened when the child was called by the parents from the different things that he was attracted? So what he thought, what he was thinking?
He knew
He
that
was
his
thinking
parents,
that his parents are not able to buy those things because of one reason or another.
Because he
There
knew,
must be some problem.
No, not problem.
That they were not.
Because he thought that whenever he is going to ask for anything, his parents would have, they would make one or the
Refuse.
other
Yes.
excuse. For example, if he will ask for the if he will ask for the burfi, they would not purchase him. Okay, they would have told him that he has grown up enough. And ultimately, when he was attracted towards different kind of balloons, the parents would say that he has grown up enough, that he is not such a young child to play with these balloons. And for snake charmer also, he knew that he would
It's
have a
not
tyrant
easy.
as well as the same look on the face of his father, and he would not be able to enjoy the different things in the fair. What made the child so much interested in the roundabout? What attracted him?
The swirling motion of the roundabout and the beautiful horses that were attached to it. He had an
And moreover,
overwhelming.
he was looking at the people who were sitting in the roundabout. They were, you can say, they were filled with laughter, and moreover, they were producing screams and shrieks with every round of the roundabout. He thought that it is really, or he has overcome with an overwhelming desire in order to have a, you can in order to have a ride in this roundabout. So this is the reason how he was attracted in the roundabout. Okay. What are the different things that the child was attracted on his way to the fair? What are the different things that he was attracted on his way to the fair? Yes. What are the different things?
Several things captivated his attention while they were going towards the fair. He was
Okay.
attracted by the toy shop and had an over
Hmm.
desire to buy one of them.
Hmm.
Then after some time, he saw a person selling balloons. They were multicolored, and he had a deep desire to buy them all, but he knew that his parents would refuse. After that, he saw a mustard field in which he saw dragonflies and butterflies and determinedly tried to catch them. Then after entering a grove, a shower of flowers fell on him,
Hmm.
which made him very happy. And but his parents called him, and he had to move on.
Yes. It means that there are so many things. Okay. Uh, there are so many things there. First of all, just you should be clear with this thing that there are different kind of things that he was attracted to on his way to the fair. On his way to the fair, he was attracted to the toy shop. He was attracted towards the dragonflies, butterflies. Then he was also attracted towards the cooing of the birds. He was also fascinated to see the various insects that have come out of their holes and to enjoy their sunshine. And moreover,
He found garland of Gulmohar interesting.
that is, this is a difference I'm going to tell you. I'm talking about that what kind of things, what are the different things that he was attracted on his way to the fair. These are the things where that he has enjoyed or that he wanted to, that he was attracted to on his way to the fair. But later on, when he has reached to the fair, okay, what are the different things to which the child was attracted in the fair? Means when he went to the fair, what are the different things? So first of all, he was attracted towards the sweet
Sweet
cake
shop.
seller who was selling his favorite sweet burfi, snake charmer also balloon seller, and the person selling flowers. He wanted to own a garland of flowers, and finally he was so much, you can say, overpossessed by the desire to have a ride in the roundabout. Okay. So what message the chapter is delivering? The chapter is delivering the message that parents are a sort of umbrella, okay, of security under which everyone enjoys what everyone enjoys happiness as well as eternal bliss, and ultimately they are always a great source of, you can say, entertainment for great source of, you can say, protection for all of us. In this chapter, the lost child, the child when he was with his parents, the different things of course attracted him, but when he was separated from his parents, he was no longer attracted by those different things. So what has happened to him? He has lost all the interest in the various things to which he was earlier attracted. So this is how his interest, it has been completely lost. Okay. So the questions which I have discussed with you for that short one, what was the condition of the child when he has lost his parent? These can be in long ones in 5 marks also. Okay. So you should know how to elaborate them. Okay. So if I talk about adventures of Toto, Okay, so the next chapter, the extra questions of adventures of Toto. So why did the author's grandfather buy Toto from a Tonga driver? Why the grandfather?
Because he was an attractive monkey. The monkey was tied to a feeding trough and seemed out of place
Yes,
there.
came out of its place. Okay, and moreover, the grandfather, who was very affectionate as well as loving towards animals, he already is owning many, you can say, animals in his private zoo, including a donkey, and then a goat, and tortoise, and squirrels. Okay, so this is the reason why he wanted to get this monkey from the Tonga driver. So what was the grandfather's reaction after Toto had torn the narrator's blazer? So was grandfather annoyed,
He realized
irritated?
No.
No. What
no,
was his
he was
reaction?
very he realized that Toto was a very clever and intelligent monkey and could have escaped if they had not shut the
Yes, yes, very
windows.
good. So ultimately, he was, you can say, he was enjoying the natural, you can say, the natural, you can say, act of the monkey. So because when it has torn the narrator's blazer into shreds, ultimately he was not annoyed or irritated, but rather he was thinking that how intelligent the monkeys, who could have made out a rope out of these shreds and would have escaped through the window. It means he was, you can say, you can say he was clearly, you can say he was clearly, or he was, you can say, deeply attracted towards this kind of mischief which the monkey was displaying. Okay, moreover, he knew the nature of the animals too, right? What happened when Toto was sent to the servants' quarter? What happened when he was sent to the servants' quarter?
He created a menace for all the animals there. He did not let them sleep at nights and always irritated them.
Hmm.
They were overwhelmed and irritated by him, so grandfather had to make adjustments.
Yes. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the same topic. Okay, extra questions we will discuss, right?